Okay, good morning again. Here we are heading to RV to drop off the motorhome. Naturally, I can't be touching the phone. That's not allowed. Just want to let you know it's how easy it is to drive. The key is when you're making the turns that you're always watching the inside lane, because the trailer will be walking itself inside. So if you make a turn, you got to go wide around to make sure that your inner wheels are not touching. I've got you leaned against the screen so I can see the cameras, see what's going on behind us. This truck has great mirrors that are just out, so with the mirrors going out, it makes it easy. So we're doing 60 kilometers an hour right now. It's a 50 zone, which is fine. And I'll stay tuned. When we get up to 100, I'll show you how easy it is. I can see I'm not really even steering. It works perfect, and we're not getting any crazy banging around or moving around, except the screen's moving. And here we are now. We're doing 80 kilometers an hour, making our turns around these bends. And again, 80 kilometers an hour, no hands on the wheel, toes very straight. Makes it quite easy. I barely got the throttle on. I'm doing 1,000 RPM. Where you really drink the fuel is when you're doing 120, 125 on the highway. With that wind, it really drinks the fuel up. I guess you could slow down, but I like to go fast. Braking is quite simple. Again, we're braking. You can adjust the gain on and off of the brakes in the back. That gives you better braking in the trailer or less braking in the trailer. We want the trailer to do some of the work. Naturally, in vehicles, 70% of the performance. Now we're making our turn. We're going wide on the turn, watching this inner mirror to make sure it's missing the yellow line on the corner. We did a good job there. We're a little wide on the right side, but away we go. Now we're up to an 80 zone, and here we go. We're 50 kilometers an hour. You can hear the engine working a little bit, and that's okay. It's a diesel. It can take the performance. This vehicle has 130,000 kilometers on it. Turbochargers boosting the power. We're up to 80 kilometers now, and you can see me. I'm quite comfortable with the drive. It's quite easy and simple. It's still shifting. There is a mode you can push onto here. It's called the tow mode onto the transmission. That uses the engine braking for when you're slowing down, saves on your brakes, and allows the shift point, the RPMs to come up a little higher before shifting. We all know diesel. I'm not sure if you know, diesels have a lower maximum RPM because their work and torque load is better at the lower RPM. And that's why I see transport trucks all shifting. We're doing 90 kilometers an hour again. Look at this. We're not swaying. We're not moving much. We've got a red light ahead, so we'll deaccelerate. Let the engine do its work. You can see the 2,000 RPM. We're there starting our braking, and it's an easy brake. You can hear it downshifting because I've got it in the tow mode. Working fine. Okay, just wanted to show you that. We'll get up to speed and we'll let you know again